morning, class. That's nice to hear. Today we are going to discuss about reading and writing whole numbers. But before we start our discussion, let's recall what we have discussed last meeting. That's right. The topic we discussed last meeting is about place value through millions. So who wants to give the number digits of every place value? So let's start with 1,000. Okay? That's right. In 1,000 there are 4 digits. In 10,000 there are 5 digits. In 100,000 there are 6 digits. And in a million though, there are 7 digits. So I think all of you understand what we have discussed last meeting. So let me present to you the lesson objectives for today's topic. So at the end of the lesson, you are expected to be able first, identify the whole numbers up to 10 millions in symbols and words. So second, who wants to read? Okay? That's right. Demonstrate the understanding by reading and writing the whole numbers and its place value. And the third one is write the numbers into words through the given activities. So together I will help you to achieve those objectives, alright? Very good. Before we proceed to our discussion, let's first have a short game activity. It is called Read Me in the Box. Who is familiar with this game? Please raise your hands. Alright, since no one is raising their hand, let me explain first on how to play this game. I'm going to give you a number word and you're going to write in the table the number that is associated with the number word. Here is the example. 33,600,773. Now it's your turn to answer these words into numbers. I will give you 5 minutes to answer this activity. So let's start. Class, are you done? If you are done, let's check your work. Who got all the correct answers? Okay, very good. So, what can you say about reading and writing whole numbers? Alright? Very well. It was fun indeed, and some of you are still confused about reading and writing numbers standard. Okay? Now, let's proceed to our lesson. But before that, I will divide the class into 2 groups. And each group must accomplish the task given. I will post the question on the board and the activity that must be answered. Okay? After you have done your activity, each group must post their presentation on the board and we are going to check your group activity. I will give you 10 minutes to do this, and here is the table that you will use as a guide to help you to read and write the number into a word. So it seems that everyone is done with their group activity. Let's start with presentation with group 1. Okay, very good. Let's clap. Let's give a clap with group 1. Okay, next group. Group 2. Very nice. Let's give also a clap with group 2. So both of you are correct and I am also satisfied with what you have presented, and it seems that you understand. Alright, so let's start with our discussion. When we write long numbers, what do you observe? What kind of punctuation marks are used? Okay? Very well. When we when we write long numbers, we use commas to be able to separate the group of numbers that usually have 3 digits per group. We also use commas from right to left to simplify the reading of words. So next, what group do you think that located the ones, tens, and hundreds? Okay, very good. It is located in ones group or unit. While where do you think naman the 1,000, 10,000, and the 100,000? Okay, it is located in the 1,000 groups. Lastly, where do you think the group located the million and 10 millions? That's right, it is located in the millions. I know you already know because of the task activity. Let's give a clap for being observant of each of you. While we are reading the group of numbers, what direction do we usually start to read? Okay, very well. We usually start to read from left to right and read the value of the groups and its units. And always observe when we are writing long words, we usually use the singular means without an S at the end of it. And also, it doesn't use and in connecting two words. Do you understand the topic today, class? That's nice. Do you have any questions? If none, since we discussed the topic of reading and writing the whole numbers, get your papers and ball pens and answer the following within 5 minutes. Read each number orally, then write each number into a word. Alright? Everyone, time's up. Are you done? Let us check your activity. Do you get the same answer, class? Okay, very good. For your evaluation, kindly answer these individually. You're going to write the following in standard form in your one whole sheet of paper. I will give you 10 minutes to answer this. Alright? Class, are you done? If you are done, kindly pass your paper forward and I'll be checking your evaluation later. For your assignment, please copy this and you will answer this in your math notebook. We will check this by tomorrow. Do you understand, class? Do you understand my instruction? Are we clear? Very good. Okay, class, that ends our discussion. It is indeed a wonderful lesson that we will use in our daily life, isn't it? Okay, I hope that you learn and thank you and goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.